Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to make an internal voice call transfer. When you receive a task on Gravity CX, you will find the transfer option at the bottom of your screen. Here you can select the person that you want to transfer the call to. To warm transfer, please select the first option, and it will place your first task on hold and connect to the agent if they are available. After the call has connected, you can leave the call and complete the task. Please note, leaving the call before the next agent has accepted will cause both calls to drop. To cold transfer a task to another agent, you must select this option here. This will take the call directly to the other agent, and it will disconnect you off the line.